No, David, that's not a swimming pool. The fish doesn't want high fives. Oh, David, you're lucky that fish can't call the cops.
David's mom always said.
Okay, that's kinda awesome, but
Stop ruining the walls. And no, David. No, David. Stop reaching for cookies. You're not Spider-Man. First, eat your lunch. No, David, no. You're not a mud monster. Get back here and wash off that dirt.
Yo ho ho. I am a pirate.
Ouch. No, David. The bathtub isn't a pirate ship. Stop splashing the walls and surrender the rubber ducky.
Na 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 boo boo. You will never catch me.
Come back here, David.
Carlo, look at that funny guy wearing a diaper. I think he needs a diaper change.
I know, right, Carlo? He is a baby and he looks 1 month old.
Excuse me, Carlo and Carla, behave. That is not a nice way to talk to someone, just because he is wearing an underwear and running.
No, David, put some clothes on. The neighbors don't need a parade. David, be quiet.
Hi, Mr. Potato is here. Say hi to him.
David. Stop playing with your food. Mom and Dad will get mad at you if you don't stop.
Yeah, your big brother Mauro is right. It's dinner, not a toy.
Now put back your potato, beans, and chicken legs on the plate and eat them now.
Yummy. That is delicious.
That's enough, David. Eat slowly. Go to your room.
Super David saves the day.
Settle down. The bed is not a trampoline. Stop picking your nose. It is not a treasure hunt.
Hey ho, what you know? We got another place to go. We may be working on a train or plane.
Put your toys away.
Fun it never stops with Junior.
No, David. Stop playing baseball indoors. The TV's not a home run target. No, David. Stop playing that guitar. Your baby sister's nap isn't a rock concert.
it's okay, my sweet little princess. I will give you a baby bottle to cheer you up.
Mom, I am very sorry for causing a lot of trouble.
It's okay. I love you, David, but next time, don't turn the bathroom into the pirate ship.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe to Storytime with Sonia Panda to watch no David videos.